These young boys working in this garden this summer are conducting experiments focusing on beneficial insects, insect pests, and just what the insects' roles are in crop production.
The adult hoverfly larvae can eat aphids.
Yukie Kajita, a research scientist in the UK College of Agriculture, Food and Environment, has been working with the boys from the Carter G. Woodson Academy Eco Club and the Black Males Working, or BMW Academy. She says the project has been fun and she has learned from the boys too.
I like to organize everything, but sometimes I never thought about it, and then students ask me lots of questions. I never thought about the question, so I also learning from students too. So I'm very excited and then working with them.
The project actually began this past school year in the spring and has continued 2 days a week this summer in the BMW Academy Garden at the First Baptist Church, Bracktown. The students are spraying half of their plots of fava beans and potatoes with sugar water. They are trying to determine the sugar water's effect on attracting both beneficial insects and insect pests, and their effects on crop production. They are also measuring the plant height to see if the sugar water helps the plant grow.
See those thorns?
Melanie Trowel is the science teacher at Carter G. Woodson Academy and leads the school's Eco Club. She says the students are learning everything from how to do research to how to present the results in a research paper.
We did a week camp where we taught them how to write a research paper and how to research and looking at what are credible sources and looking at how to cite their articles MLA style, and just going through that. We want to be able to share what we learned as scientists. We want to share it out to the science community.
Trowel says she hopes the students gain a better understanding of the scientific method and the scientific process.
They've been doing science out in the garden. They've been understanding the messiness and the culture of science.
Carol Hanley, director of the college's Environmental and Natural Resources Task Force, helped connect kajita with the academies. Hanley says the project teaches students that science doesn't happen during the normal length of a class.
And they also have been given answers by teachers or by textbooks. Well, science doesn't happen that way. Science happens long term, and science is messy, but our students don't get to experience that. They experience science in the classroom, they experience science out of textbooks. They don't experience science as it happens in the real world.
The students hope to present their paper at the conferences of the Kentucky Science Teachers Association and the National Science Teachers Association in November. From the University of Kentucky College of Agriculture, Food and Environment, I'm Jeff Franklin reporting.
Stop it at 36. Stop it at 36.